In this video, we will discuss how to invest in cryptocurrency. I'm going to guide you with complete detail, and I hope that this video is beneficial to everyone who's watching. But before we start, I need you to subscribe to the channel. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual asset that uses cryptography for security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning that they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can be used to purchase goods and services. So, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a new way of recording information or transactions in a way that makes it difficult or virtually impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. This is what makes it so powerful. A blockchain is a digital ledger or like a database of all cryptocurrency transactions that ever took place. It's constantly growing as completed blocks are added to it with a new set of recordings or transactions. A digital ledger is like a spreadsheet that is duplicated thousands of times across the internet. Now imagine that this network is designed to regularly update this spreadsheet, and you have a basic understanding of what the blockchain is. A block is like a bucket in which all new transactions go into. Once that block is full, it's added to the chain of other blocks. And this digital ledger or spreadsheet is updated with the new transactions. There are so many different types of cryptocurrency. Each has its own different features and functions. The most popular type of cryptocurrency is the first one, which is Bitcoin. It was created in 2009. Other types include Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, IOTA. There's so many out there, and each has its own particular use case. Now, Bitcoin is the most well-known and it's the most widely used cryptocurrency. Remember, it was created in 2009. Bitcoin is often used as what's called a store of value or an investment. It wasn't created that way, but that's what it ended up being, and it's also used to purchase goods and services. Ethereum is another popular type of cryptocurrency that was created in 2015. Ethereum is based on a blockchain platform, but the special thing about Ethereum is that it allows users to create what's called smart contracts and decentralized applications. Ethereum is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in which NFTs are based. So, how do we invest in cryptocurrency? Many traditional investors see cryptocurrency as a risky venture, but because of the risk factor, there's also a large payoff or return on investment. Just like any other new investment, those who invest early are the ones that are rewarded the biggest. On the downside, prices are highly volatile, and there's always a chance of losing money. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, after we invest, where do we put this cryptocurrency? So let's talk about storing your cryptocurrency. When it comes to cryptocurrency, the most important thing to do is keep your coins or tokens safe. There are a few different ways to store your cryptocurrency, and the one that you choose depends on how much money you have and how secure you want it to be. The two categories are hot wallet or cold wallet. A hot wallet is a wallet that is connected to the internet in any way. The upside is that you can always access it regardless of where you are in the world. The downside is that it is vulnerable to online attacks and hackers, which could lead to your funds getting stolen. But it's faster and it makes it easier to trade or spend your crypto. And the second category are cold wallets. A cold wallet can be a hardware wallet, a paper wallet, or any other device or scheme for storing your cryptocurrency that is not connected to the internet. Most prefer new hardware wallets, which are very secure and have high security levels. Many of these physical devices look somewhat like a USB stick. They're very secure, but they can be a little tricky to set up. Whichever way you choose to store your crypto, make sure it's safe. So in conclusion, it's clear that the cryptocurrency technology is going to have a profound impact on the way we live and communicate. It's changed the way we interact with each other so far and across the entire world. There are many positive aspects to this. There's also potential negatives that we need to consider. As we continue to advance this technology, it is important to be aware of both the positives and the negatives so that we can make informed decisions about how we use this technology. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and strike that bell icon so you don't miss our next video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and I appreciate you, and thanks for watching.